Kinansila ang mga meeting at iba pang schedule ni Pangulong Aquino ngayong araw. Ito ay dahil sa masamang pakiramdam ng ating Pangulo. Nagbabalik si Elena Luna.
Dahil sa masamang pakiramdam, kinansela ni Pangulong Aquino ang public appearance at meeting niya ngayong araw. Hindi nakadalo ang Pangulo sa inaugurasyon ng tulay sa Cervantes, Ilocos Sur. Kanselado rin ang dapat sanay meeting nila ni Executive Secretary Paquito Ochoa Jr. ng alas 2 ng hapon sa palasyo.
Tuesday after the PNP anniversary, his allergy was really bad, and so yesterday it was also bad. In fact, we had to cancel a scheduled interview with GMA 7 for the August 21 anniversary because his voice was a bit not well, hoarse. So just to clarify, it's not because of coughing, it's because of the allergy.
Noong Martes, dumalo ang Pangulo sa anibersaryo ng police service sa Camp Crame. Ang stage na ginalawan niya, may dekorasyong bulaklak.
PNP event was held in an air-conditioned room. So, enclosed space siya. Normally, if you notice, mga events ni Presidente, open air. Kahit na may floral arrangements, open air. So, but this time it was held in an air-conditioned space. So, maybe the pollen just really the pollens weren't able to get out of the room. So, it affected his allergies.
Kinagabihan, dumalo ang Pangulo sa Edil Peter dinner sa palasyo. Dahil inaatake na ng allergy ang Pangulo, hindi mga bulaklak ang ginamit na dekorasyon.
You have floral arrangements anywhere in the palace, for instance. Kapag state dinner, may mga floral arrangements. So, that's why in that, for instance, in the Eid al-Fitr, because his allergy was acting up, instead of floral arrangements, they put the social office graciously put fruits, may decorations doon sa
Pagdilinaw ng palasyo, ang allergy ng Pangulo ay katulad din ng nararanasang allergy ng mga ordinaryong Pilipino. Isa sa mga epekto nito ay ang siponin ang Pangulo. Nagpapahinga na siya sa bahay pangarap at umiinom na ng gamot.
It has nothing to do with the smoking habits, people of the Philippines.
Para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan, Elena Luna.